This is how Prague looks on Instagram, romantic and packed with impressive historic buildings. But what's it like in real life? Does it really live up to its glamorous social media image? We show you if it's all it's cracked up to be and which places are truly worth visiting. Located in Central Europe, Prague is the capital of the Czech Republic and home to 1.3 million inhabitants. 6 million visitors travelled to Prague in 2022. It was under communist rule until 1989, and these days it's a tourism hotspot. Does it live up to the hype? We visit 3 of Prague's major sites to find out. Our first stop, Hradčany, Prague's castle district, a popular backdrop for Instagram pictures. Is it worth a visit? In the centre of the castle complex you will find the Gothic St. Vitus Cathedral. The Czech president also has his official residence here. When the flag flies over the palace, he's in. Come on the hour and you'll see the changing of the guard. You can enter the castle grounds for free, but it gets crowded from late morning. So, better get up early and go exploring. At St. Vitus Cathedral, you can see the famous Last Judgment mosaics. They depict people ascending into heaven and burning in hell. The past comes alive in Prague. Travelling here is like taking a journey through time.
Just looking at the marvelous architecture of the churches, the castles, puts me really back, connects me with history. It's got a modern vibe as well, so I'm in both worlds, I'm in the old and in the new world.
Prague is full of history. But if you simply want to relax, take a walk through the gardens at the foot of the Hradčany. You'll have a magnificent view of Prague in the fall light. And where else can you find wine growing in the middle of a major city? So, what's our conclusion? Hradčany is a must-see. But what about our next stop? Let's head down into the historic centre. Our second stop, Charles Bridge on the Vltava River. It's very popular on Instagram, but does it look as good in real life? Charles Bridge is one of the oldest stone bridges in Europe. Lined with statues, it's a symbol of the city and named after Emperor Charles IV. Once Bohemian kings walked across it to be crowned. Now it's tourists from all over the world. Touching a statue of St. John of Nepomuk, a Bohemian priest and martyr, is said to bring good luck. Although St. John didn't have much luck himself, he was thrown into the Vltava River and drowned. Unfortunately, Charles Bridge is almost always overcrowded. We recommend that you walk across it quickly and save your time for a unique sweet pastry that's a Prague speciality. Dough wrapped around a stick, baked and rolled in cinnamon and sugar. You can also try it filled with cream and strawberries, but it's hard to pronounce.
Trdelník?
Trdelník?
Yes.
Oh. So it's something like this. Trdelník.
We are tourists and just want to try this. And just, that's very good, it's delicious. But
That's amazing.
All those calories will get you through an entire day of sightseeing. So what about our final reality check, our third stop? It's an absolute star on Instagram, the Old Town Square with its famous astronomical clock. So does it look as good in real life as on Instagram? And why is everyone looking up? Every hour on the hour, 12 apostles appear above the astronomical clock on Prague City Hall. This landmark is both unique and world-famous, a mysterious masterpiece. But what is the time?
When you face the clock and you try to read the clock dial, you may find there are 4 different types of time. One, which is called Old Bohemian. Another, the old German time, then Babylonian time, and then star time. Charles IV loved astronomy, and he was a superstitious man who believed that numbers and digits may change a lot. So yes, in that way, Prague used to be the center of science, of astronomy as well.
After you've finished puzzling over the clock, head up the tower of the town hall. You can look down over the entire square. There's no better view over the old town. In short, our third stop absolutely lives up to its reputation. When it comes to the Charles Bridge, we recommend viewing it from a distance. Or you can take a paddle boat to get a good look from below. It costs just €15 an hour. And you might even spot a nutria. Dusk on the Vltava River is especially romantic. So, what do we think about Prague Castle? You can't miss it. It's impressive both during the day and while taking an evening stroll.